Listen carefully. If you are still thinking in your native language before speaking English, you are making the biggest mistake that is stopping your fluency right now. What if I tell you that you don't need grammar rules to speak English confidently? What if I tell you that Americans don't think about grammar when they speak? And what if today, in this video, you can finally break that fear and start speaking naturally? This video can change the way you learn English forever. So don't skip. Stay with me till the end. I promise you, after this, you will feel more confident speaking English. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what is your biggest problem in English? Is it speaking, understanding, or confidence? And if you really want to improve your English fast, hit the like button and subscribe now, because this channel is made for you. Now let's begin. Most people learn English the wrong way. They try to memorize grammar rules, they translate every sentence in their mind, and they wait for the perfect sentence before speaking. But in real life, nobody speaks like that. In the United States, people speak naturally, fast, and without overthinking. They don't stop to think about tense or structure. They just speak. The biggest problem is translation. When you think in your native language and then convert it into English, your brain becomes slow. That is why you feel nervous, confused, and stuck. So the first rule is simple. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Now you may ask, how can I think in English if I don't know many words? The answer is simple. Start small. Use simple words. You don't need big vocabulary to speak fluently. You just need the right method. For example, instead of saying complicated sentences, say simple things like, I am going, I am eating, I am learning, I like this, I don't like that. This is how real conversations start. Let me show you something powerful. Imagine you wake up in the morning. Instead of thinking in your language, say in your mind, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am getting ready. This simple practice trains your brain to think in English naturally. Another mistake people make is they don't speak enough. They just watch videos, read books, and learn grammar. But they don't practice speaking. Speaking is a skill. If you don't use it, you will never improve. You don't need a partner to start speaking. You can talk to yourself. Yes, it may sound funny, but it works. Talk about your day, your plans, your thoughts. Say everything in English. The more you speak, the better you become. Confidence is another key. Many people know English, but they are afraid to speak. They think people will judge them. But remember this, nobody cares as much as you think. Everyone is busy with their own life. In the United States, people respect confidence more than perfect grammar. If you speak with confidence, even with small mistakes, people will understand you and appreciate you. Let's talk about listening. If you want to speak like Americans, you must listen to how they speak. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, follow real conversations. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and common phrases. Don't try to understand every word. Just understand the idea. This will improve your brain's ability to process English faster. Now here is a powerful technique called shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to copy the speed, accent, and emotion. This will improve your speaking faster than anything else. For example, if someone says, I don't know what you are talking about, repeat it exactly the same way. Do this daily, and you will see a big difference. Another important thing is using daily sentences. You don't need complicated English. Learn sentences that you can use every day. Like, what are you doing? I am on my way. Give me a second. That makes sense. I get it. I don't think so. Let me check. Sounds good. These are real sentences used in daily conversations. If you use these sentences regularly, your English will sound more natural. Now let's talk about mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes before becoming fluent. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. So start now. Speak now. Improve later. Consistency is the secret. Practice every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily can change your English completely over time. Make English part of your life. Think in English, speak in English, listen in English. Also, try to surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Follow English content. Watch English videos daily. Your environment plays a big role in your learning. Now I want to ask you something. Are you ready to change your English today? Are you ready to stop thinking and start speaking? If yes, comment, "I will speak English" right now. Remember, fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about using what you know confidently. Start simple. Speak daily. Think in English. Don't translate. Listen more. Practice more. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. Keep watching this channel, keep learning, and keep growing. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your English journey starts today.